Okay, so this is the different model.
Hello, brothers, sisters, here Okoro. So, whilst discovering our hidden traditional food in Ghana, I found one delicious soup we have in Bono region, which is sunyani. I know a lot of you guys haven't heard or know about this recipe, but it's so delicious, nutritious, and it's a recipe that you have to consider adding to your menu. It's locally known as Efrin Nkwan, which means pumpkin soup. So the main ingredient over here is pumpkin. So when you get pumpkin, you can prepare this recipe. It's so nice. It was my first time trying it, and it was really mouth-watering.
Yeah, typical zone. Okay, I just check your name. Check your money count. Oh, say you know to try. Oh, try going for. Oh, try the piece. So yeah. What if I get off on so? Hey, why you love name me? Sir, but try na here. Only me want say. Okay, so this is the different model or the type of pumpkin. It's not the right one. This was a very street one that we got from the market yesterday, and amazing soup that's being used over here. Yeah, so we just washed our pumpkin and goes inside the pot like that. About to boil it. Okay, so frame Nkwan. So we added garden eggs to it as well. So garden eggs, pepper, and the pumpkin. Okay, about to boil everything together. Wow. What's your name? What's your name? Mary. Very good round. So we're about to grind our onion and garlic ginger together for the fresh soup. Yeah. We'll be using this goat meat for it. We're about to wash it. So, this is the pot that I'm using for the soup. Okay, so the goat meat goes inside and we'll be steaming it. Okay. We are adding in our grinded garlic, ginger, and the onion to it. Okay. So we'll be adding our onion, tomatoes, everything to the goat meat. Then we steam everything together. And the pepper and the garden eggs is now ready, as you can see. So I believe we're about to grind this together. So about to add in our pumpkin and add roasting like that. Is that already? Okay. Okay, so what has been added? Okay. Okay, so I'm about to grind our tomatoes and onions together. Our tomatoes is now going inside. This is the soup, and it's been on for like almost 20 minutes because the boiling has to take place nicely, and so that I can have an amazing recipe. Okay, since we be 7 days with rice, we have our chopped bell pepper and carrots inside. Okay, so you can have fufu with this, rice with it, anything that you want. But since this is rice, and you garnish it with some, as I said, the carrots and the bell pepper. Yeah. Man, we're done with our frame Nkwan. So more of like soup, but it's not. We had our pumpkin inside, and I'm serving with rice, or I'm eating with rice because I've had enough of fufu since yesterday.
It has its own unique taste, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to share for others to see, and also subscribe, like the page and the channel. As I keep saying, let's showcase and promote our own local food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Let's do this.
Wow, amazing. Man, it seems like light soup, but it's not. Though it's light soup kind of, but the pumpkin, you know, didn't change that much of the difference, you know. Wow, very nice, like very thick, and man, amazing recipe over here. Healthy food from the half side. Anyway, Sunyani.
The mess rules. Some person may disika koma madofo and I'm a bushna for our Ghana. May the fat tap sing.
This is here, this is tap. And the best so far.
I didn't see some yes, and this coffee not a tap.
Tap saying, will be around down the up now. Cannot master enough for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Like you get to resolve secured experience. I've never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one abroad for you na ya tap sing. Papa no.